Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to be showing you the driver side Xenon to halogen patch loom, because I forgot to film it and put it onto the end of the last video. So in this 10-minute video I'm just going to be literally running down showing you what wires I've soldered and which ones connect to which. I've already got ahead of myself and soldered it and forgot to film it, heat shrunk it and everything else. So I thought better show you guys, because I forgot in the heat of everything to get this sorted out. So I thought here it is. It's a quick rundown on what wires go to which, and if you want the diagram to help you guys along to do it yourself, head over to my Instagram page. The link is in the description, and you'll find the diagram there. So let's crack on. Thanks for watching. Okay, so this is the driver side Xenon patch loom. You've got on the Xenon side, you've got a green and orange stripe which goes to your high beam wire on the halogen, which is purple and black. Then you go to find your red, this cable here, which is white and red, and that goes to the solid blue, which is your leveling motors. Then you've got a solid blue wire on the Xenon side again, that's your indicator, and that goes to the solid orange on the Xenon. Which one? Then you've got these two wires here. This is your the orange and green is your side light, and this green and blue one here is your leveling motor power. I believe you tap that into the side light for the power to level them off, and that wire, so for your side light wire basically, it's orange and green stripe goes to the orange and blue stripe on the Xenon, on the halogen. Then you've got your thick green and white stripe goes to your relay, and then on the halogen side you've got your purple and orange stripe which goes to your relay. You've got power, and you'll have to excuse the state of this soldering on these wires. There's probably a better way to do this. If anyone knows of any better way to do this, put in the comments below. But this is how you wire up the driver's side halogen. Again, I'm sorry I didn't show you how I soldered it all together, but you've seen the last video, you would have got the gist of it. But these are the wires you need to tap into to make this patch loom. All you do is just tidy it up like we've done previously, using some electrical tape, and tidy it all up. Job done. So guys, I forgot to show you the wiring on the driver's side loom. So it's a quick video. I've already soldered it all together and put it all together, so here's a quick rundown of what I done and what wire goes to where. You just see the screen turn off here and power it back up. Okay, this diagram here is to help you. I've put that over onto my Instagram page, so go over to the Instagram, link in the description, and follow along, and you can get this diagram off of there as well. This will help you guys do it yourself. So as always, if you like the videos, hit the like button down below, considering the subscribe button for future content, and thanks for watching. Hope you enjoy it, and sorry this one come in the second part. Bye for now.